Every year, thousands of students unknowingly destroy their own brain power. They think they're working harder, but in reality, they're burning out their focus, memory, and mental energy. Today, I'll share 7 study habits that silently damage your mind. And the last one is the most dangerous of all. Habit 1. Midnight cramming. You might think staying up late makes you more productive, but science says the opposite. When you sacrifice sleep, your brain stops storing information and starts overloading. Research proves that sleep deprivation triggers anxiety, mood swings, and memory loss. The solution: don't pull all-nighters. Use spaced repetition. Keep a fixed sleep schedule and study early in the morning. It's 10 times more powerful than late-night marathons. Habit 2. Caffeine. Overload. 1 extra cup of coffee doesn't mean more focus. It means more stress. Too much caffeine spikes your cortisol levels, raises your heart rate, and doubles your anxiety. Energy rises fast, but stress rises faster. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 cups a day, and skip it after evening. Need focus? Go for a short walk or drink water. Natural energy always wins. Habit 3. Studying without breaks. Studying for hours without a break doesn't make you smarter. It makes your brain freeze. When your working memory overloads, you stop retaining information. Science says breaks help your brain consolidate learning. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and after 3 rounds, take a longer one. Remember, breaks make memory stick. Habit 4. No physical movement. Ever notice how your mood drops after sitting at your desk all day? That's not just tiredness. It's poor circulation and low dopamine. When you move your body, you move your brain. Every hour, take a 5 to 10-minute micro-activity break. Walk, stretch, or do light push-ups. These small moves recharge your mind faster than any caffeine ever could. Habit 5. Multitasking with screens. Writing notes, checking WhatsApp, scrolling Instagram, and watching YouTube. All at once? That's not multitasking. That's mental chaos. Your brain switches gears every 30 seconds, which kills focus and cuts learning almost in half. The rule is simple. 1 screen, 1 goal. Single tasking may look boring, but in the long run, it's your superpower. Habit 6. Studying in isolation. Many students believe studying alone means fewer distractions, but that's not true. Isolation increases loneliness and kills motivation. Group study or discussions help you stay sharp and reduce stress. Teach what you learn. It's the fastest way to remember. Habit 7. The perfectionism trap. Some students rewrite the same notes again and again, chasing perfection. But perfectionism leads to anxiety and procrastination. Waiting for things to be perfect only blocks your progress. Set realistic goals. Aim for 80% done, not 100% perfect. Focus on progress, not perfection. These 7 habits might look small, but together, they silently drain your focus, energy, and happiness. Change just one of them, and you'll instantly feel more productive, clear-minded, and calm. Remember, small shifts create big results.